everyone, welcome back to Live, Love, Learn with me Arya and a Navratri special series. If you are done subscribing to my channel, then let's get into the video. In this video, let's see the recipe to prepare tamarind rice which can be served as offering or naivedhyam during Navratri Puja. Let's see the ingredients first. We need 2 cups of cooked rice, salt, hing, urad dal, cashew nuts, mustard, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds, chana dal, curry leaves, ghee and oil, chopped green and red chilies, turmeric powder and tamarind. Let's begin the process now. Take a handful of tamarind, put it in a bowl, clean it with plain water and then soak it in water for about 15-20 minutes. Just mash the soaked tamarind and drain it to get tamarind juice out of it. Tamarind juice is ready and now turn on the flame of the stove, put a kadai on it and let it heat. Add some oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add fenugreek, cumin and mustard seeds to it. Add the already chopped green and red chilies, turmeric powder. Now add the already prepared tamarind juice to it and give it a proper stir. Add some hing, salt to taste and mix them well. Give it a proper stir, place a lid on top of it and let it cook for some time. Just adjust the flame from high to medium and low as and when required and keep stirring it once in a while. Once this mix is ready, it can be stored in a refrigerator for about 6 to 7 days. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes for this to cook completely. By the way, if you don't want to have it too spicy, then you can reduce the number of chilies accordingly. Let it cook until it gets this consistency and oil gets accumulated at the sides of the pan just like shown here. Oil at the sides is an indicator to turn off the flame. It is done properly and turn off the flame now. It's time to prepare tempering or tadka. Turn on the flame, put another pan on it and then add some oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add mustard, cumin and fenugreek seeds. Add chana dal. Add some urad dal and mix them properly. Add some cashew nuts and saute them well. If you have missed any of my Navratri special videos, you can go to my channel and under playlist tab you'll have a playlist naming Navratri 2020. Please go and have a look. Finally, add some curry leaves and turn off the stove. Now mix this tempering with 2 bowls of white rice. Add the paste and mix it evenly with the rice. So the mix that we have prepared was actually enough for about 4.5 cups of rice. So you can prepare the mix as per the amount of rice that you want to have, or you can prepare the mix in a large quantity, and like I told before, this can be stored in a refrigerator for about 6-7 days. So you can have it later as well. Our tamarind rice is ready and it can be served as naivedhyam during puja. And trust me, it tasted just like the one offered in a temple. Since we've reached the end of the video, you know what to do. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you'll get notified of my new videos. Catch me on another video. Until then, stay home, stay safe and stay connected with me, Arya.